Guys, welcome to Show Me Tint. So we got a cool thing happening today. My tint finally came in. It's actually from another country, up in Canada, eh? It's called Luminous Films. Check it out, check it out. Boom. A mother from another country there. Luminous. So this company wants to like help us bring this tint to Springfield, Missouri, and to you. So let's check it out. This is super exciting. I'm so hyped about this. Anytime we get like a new cool tint in, it's a bunch of really cool colors. Today we're gonna put on this royal red, and you'll get to see the process. It's just like normal tint, but it's gonna be a lot more fun when it's done. There it is. Like that? Like that looks good. You like that, Ramon? So it's actually pretty cool, but we've never used it. We don't know what we're getting into. Hopefully this goes a little better than our Temu experience. Rip into it, tell me what you think. So while they're getting that ready, I'll start showing you these. I kind of want to do this gold on my windshield, on my black single cab, but it's got chrome wheels. So, check it. That's gold, baby. Solid gold. Now I think this will match the wheels on my single cab. What it look good on there? Because it has like chrome on the bumpers and stuff. We got the chrome. I've done chrome before. We're actually doing a silver on the old man's car. This old man came in, he's like, listen, I want to do something wild. He's like, I don't got long to live. I'm like trying to, oh, and he's like, no, for real. I was like, okay, well, let's do it, buddy. Like, I hope you make your appointment. We got a little coupon. Buy 3, get 1 free, baby. To Shoney. Oh, fuck, Shoney's out soon. Shoney's fire. Get the crab cakes. Or this one. Dude, I would do this one. I really like this. Yeah. Bala. Holla. Holla at your boy. We'll get this done up right. That's good, doesn't it? You like that? All right. I'm hyped. I can't wait to see this. So I'm check this windshield out. Let's see what's happening. Oh, my God. Oh, man. I'm hyped about that. Chrome red, baby. I guarantee you that. I don't know if any vehicle has this in town yet. And it's becoming actually really popular. You see a lot on Instagram. You see it a lot, TikToks and stuff. I don't know how illegal it is, but it's probably not that legal. I think it's all reflective tint's supposed to be illegal. But since it's a show car, we just want to do cool stuff. Right, yeah. Look, I wonder how it shrinks. I hope it's good. So right now, Andre's in the middle of a dry shrinking process, and we're setting it up like normal film. We don't know if the film's gonna shrink normally, because I've been burned before, you know what I mean? You think it's gonna be good. It looks like it's shrinking fairly normal, a little difficult, a little firm. It looks like we got something good here. It's supposed to be good, honestly. I think it's gonna look like that from the inside. I don't know what he's getting into. He wanted to be cool, he wanted to stand out. I got you, bro. Ramon's cleaning up the window. He's about to stick the door glass. He's gonna lay her down. Oh, Trey's got the other door going already? Oh. Does it look red from the inside? Oh, okay. Oh, dude, yeah. It's like a little red rainbow, kind of.
Yeah.
Whoa. We've done a lot of the just plain, like, colors. You know what I mean? Like red, blues. But this has more of a chrome factor. 2 films in one. It's really going to make it shine in the sun, I think. It's going to give it a different look, which that's what I'm excited about for the guys and for us. I want to do the van in the red, so it'll match the chrome red on there. That'll look sick. Yeah, I think it'll be fun. So as soon as it gets back, we'll do that. But this is the first one. It's going down. Show Me Tint, Springfield, Missouri. Yeah, get it, boy! We love that. It looked like his owner, Greg. That's his car. We like to see him getting around here with cars and stuff. That's car stuff every day. That's a good sign that it's a quality film, you know, so that's what we were really hoping for at the end of the day. I didn't want to buy 4 rolls of some expensive stuff and it be crap, you know, like Temu. Temu got us, but we only lost like $3, you know, so it wasn't like a bad deal. You know, that's the one thing about Temu is you're not in too deep, but this I'm in deep. So if you like it, come check it out. Hit like, subscribe. I'm gonna jump in here, help him finish up, see what I can do. When we get it all wrapped up, I'll show you a little quick of what it looks like, and make sure you hang out and watch the end of that because it's gonna be sick. It's all wrapped up. Let me show it to you real quick. This is pretty cool. We're all excited. New products are always fun, but look how chrome red this is. I love it. It's super fun. Like, this dude wanted something special. He wanted something red, obviously, red wheels, red car. Red window tint. I don't know if I would like looking through the red all the time, but I've had people do it, and you know, I mean, it's definitely, I've heard it's like after you stare at a light bulb, you know how you can see spots? Like you can like see red spots? I don't know. But I'm with it. You like it, I love it. Hitting the streets, coming at you fresh. It's gonna be something cool though. I'm excited to break out the blues and the silvers and the golds. So if you want some of that, hit me up. I'll give you a deal. The first one gets a deal, so hit me up. So don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notifications, give the guy a follow. That really helped me out. Just give me a little and follow us along. It would really help us out as we're coming up. Be part of the groundwork, going up with us. So, but yeah, tell me what you want to see. You want to see gold? You want to see blue? If you want it on your personal car, like I said, hit me up. I'll cut you a deal on the first one that hits me up because I want to get every color out on the town. So hit me up. Let me know you're watching, and thanks for checking it out. All right, see you later.